everyone, my name is Christian Paul Patilan, and now let us discover the Cagayan Valley. Cagayan Valley, the fourth largest region in the Philippines in Region 2. The region has a wide expanse of rich agricultural lands suitable to a wide variety of agricultural commodities. It's composed of five provinces. The first one is Batanes, the second is Cagayan, the third one is Isabela, and the fourth one is Nueva Vizcaya, and the last is Quirino. What is the capital city of Cagayan Valley? Tuguegarao City is the capital of the province of Cagayan and the regional center of Cagayan Valley. It has earned the distinctions of being the center of excellence for higher education, science, and medicine in Region 2. So, diri nakapwesto ang Cagayan Valley sa Region 2. Different cultures. The different cultural identities in Cagayan include the Lanas, or our people, who have mixed Southern Chinese and Filipino cultural heritage in the Philippines. Another cultural identity is formed through the cultural creolization process in Cagayan Valley, where the Chinese, Ibanag, Ilocano, and Itawis ethnic groups dwell. So, ethnic groups. Ethnic group. The first one is Ibanag, the predominant group known for their agricultural practices and vibrant festivals. The second is Kadang, known for their traditional weaving and distinctions dialect. The third is Itawis, a group that has unique costumes and rich oral traditions. The fourth is Ibanag. With a rich history, they play a significant role in the region cultural landscape. Okay, traditional arts and crafts. Weaving, um, many indigenous groups practice traditional weaving, creating intricate textiles, pottery, and woodcraft. These crafts reflect region agricultural lifestyle and are often passed down through the generations. Regional beliefs predominantly Roman Catholic, with local costumes often blending with traditional beliefs. Ancestor, ancestor venerations and community rituals are common. Language na ilang ginagamit. The primary language spoke include Ibana, Ilocano, and Kadang, among others. These languages reflects the region diversity and cultural identity. So natural environment, the region's natural beauty include the Sierra Madre Mountain and rivers plays a significant role in the cultural practices and daily lives of its inhabitants. So, festivals. So, there are some festivals na ilang gina-celebrate. The first one is Aguinaldo Festival, Pamba- Pambante Festival, Ibanag Festival, Kadang Festival, Pahiyas Festival, Luntiang Pasko, and Songkaang Festival. So, tourist destinations. Calao. So, mao na yung mga destinations na makita nimo sa Cagayan Valley. The first one is Calao Cave. Calao Cave. Ah, Calao Cave, sorry. Piat Shrine, Magway Windmills, San Pablo Church, Cagayan Valley Agricultural College, or Cagayan Rivers. So, mo ni mga picture guys. Thank you. Thank you.